Is your age between 16 to 18 years too and want to open all the gates of money for your future? So you have clicked on the right video. As a teen, I will show you the most easiest way to earn money online without any bullshit guide. So watch the video till the end if you want it so badly. Hey everyone, welcome back to FitFreak. Today we are diving into an exciting world of making money between the ages of 16 and 18. We have got a jam-packed episode covering 5 different income streams. Let's get started. Instagram theme pages. First up, let's talk about Instagram theme pages. I'll show you how to create and grow your own themed page. Select the right niche and engage with your audience effectively. Plus, I'll share some monetization tips to turn those likes into dollars. Content creation. Content creation is a skill that can pay off big time, whether it's photography, videography or writing. We discuss on how to create high quality content. We'll discuss tools, techniques and platforms to showcase your talent and attract potential clients. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn commissions by promoting products. I'll explain how affiliate programs work and provide strategies on how to choose the right products, create compelling content, and maximize your earnings. Starting a podcast channel. Podcasting is booming, and it's an excellent way to share your passion or expertise while making money. We will discuss the steps of creating and promoting our podcast channel. We'll discuss recruitment, hosting platforms, and sponsorship opportunities. Become an editor. We are talking about becoming an editor, whether it's video editing, photo editing, or even writing. There's a demand for editors in the content creation world. Think you have got the skills? Fantastic! Find the editing gigs from all over social media and edit videos for them. Improve your editing game, and even you can earn so much as a young editor. There you have it, brothers. 5 diverse income streams tailored to teens between the ages of 16 and 18. Remember, these opportunities require dedication, creativity and consistency. The sky is the limit when it comes to earning money and gaining valuable skills at a young age. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any update. Share your thoughts, questions and stories in the comments below, and as always, thank you for joining us here. We'll see you in the next video.